person with a psychopathic bent of mind can, because there are so many cases which are happening these days. People getting into marriages, they meet and turn out to be, like that Shillong murder case and things like that. They go on a
Crazy.
honeymoon, don't even know what's happening, and nothing works. You just keep wondering that, didn't he see the signs? There are girls who are in relationships for a long period of time. They get chopped into pieces and stuffed into refrigerators.
Right.
What is the mentality of people like this? What I mean, are they? You must have met people like this and interrogated them, right?
Yes.
How does it work? Like, what
Not
is
interrogated, but definitely spoken to
whatever?
them.
Spoken.
Huh. So, psychopath is a very clinical term. Clinical, when I say, it means it has certain diagnostic criterias. In India, unfortunately, we don't have a good amount of studies when it comes to who is a psychopath. So, when I did my studies, um I banged on what the West has done. So there's somebody known as Dr. Robert Hare. He has done like tremendous work on psychopathy. So psychopathy is, to tell you, somebody who is unable to consolidate his emotions with what emotional regulation for myself with what I should do at the moment, because that is more appropriate for the situation. So example is, you will see people who are super blunt. I mean,
Yeah.
you can see that they are actually hurting, but still this person will go ahead and say something extremely callous. So this is what I'm talking about.
They're getting joy in hurting.
They may, yes, they get, that's the way of getting an adrenaline rush for them. So there are many markers. So you will have apathy, you will be callous in nature, you will not be able to perceive other person from their perceive other person's emotions from their body language.
Huh.
So when you're talking, it's a very common sense thing. When you're talking to somebody, if you see that they have an aggressive tone, you know that the person's a little angry. It doesn't take much to figure that out, right? But for them, they will not be able to understand. The brain is made in such a way that it won't understand. So my studies was to see if it's cultural, if our society makes us like that, or is it a neurological thing that we are born like that. So the sociopath and psychopath, that's where the idea comes from.
What is the difference?
Very debatable and unclear definitions, but sociopath is somebody who becomes apathetic towards the world because of the experiences they have gone through as a result of living in a society.
Okay.
And psychopath is somebody who's born with that sort of brain structure and the neurotransmitters, however they are released, that they don't understand, that they will go ahead and do whatever they feel like doing without ever taking the other
There's
person
a very
into account.
animal-like thing.
Yes.
वो human emotions and that
नहीं
brain
है.
structure नहीं है जो tells us the right and wrong का
Yes.
difference.
Sense of discrimination
नहीं
is
है.
something that lacks.
हाँ.
So it's not like they don't know what is right or wrong. It's just for them, मेरे को लिए ये सही है तो मैं तो करूँगा, no matter how much you're hurting the other person.
हाँ.
So that's actually the difference.
Okay.
So generally it is seen, or rather thought, that psychopaths exist more as criminals. The idea is actually, the reality is very different. Business people, businessmen, they are there was a study in the US which showed that businessmen were more psychopathic in nature than other people. That is why they are able to take such cruel decisions.
Yeah, because if you bring in the aspect of empathy, then it's hard to take a very stringent business decision which is just monetary in nature.
Yeah.
So that is why, that's what I have.
This is exactly how it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So steadily, some people then take away that empathy factor because they are unable to take decisions then.
Yeah.
Which makes it like, imperative that you have to. Which is why you see that in banking and in places like this, what is burnout? Burnout is when they reach that 40 or 35, 40 pe jab aa gaye, that is when you are now expected to completely take out that empathy factor. You're given a target, you have
You're
to
supposed to
fire
do it,
50
yeah.
people today. Karna hi hai, it doesn't matter whether they're good or bad at their job.
Yeah.
It is going to impact you, no?
Definitely.
Somewhere.
Yeah,
if that
yeah,
is the
yeah.
target which you have been given. So the burnout is when you have to do this repeatedly
Yeah.
and then
You're so exposed to that stimulus over and over and over again that now that is your new normal. This is exactly what happens in depression, anxiety, because you've been exposed to that sort of environment for so long that now this is normal for you. तो अब वो उसको फिर से rewire करना पड़ेगा. So this is what happens when you learn cycling. Initially you're going to, you know, like stumble and fall. But once you understand how to cycle, now you can't unlearn how to cycle. Right?
Yeah.
Now the brain is so used. So the neural development happens with respect to your context, environmental context. So again, psychopaths can be born. They also can be culturally made to be a psychopath.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.